Hey everyone, welcome to Code Orbit. And today is day 9 of doing Codeforces till the Grandmaster level. And today's problem is called stones on the table. And the problem statement is there are n stones on the table in a row. Each of them can be red, green, or blue. Count the minimum number of stones to take from the table so that any two neighboring stones had different colors. Stones in a row are considered neighboring if there are no other stones between them. Okay, so in input we will first line contains integer n, the number of tones, and the second line contains a string which represents the color of the tones. Okay, and for red it is R, for blue it is B, and for green it is G. Okay, so we need to print a single integer, the answer to the problem. That is, how many minimum number of tones you need to put up so that there will be distinctive stones on the table. So assume it like this. Let's say the first line will contain, I guess, the number of stones. Yeah. So let's say we have five stones and they are given like this: R, R, G, B, and G. Yeah. So these are stones on the table. No? And here you can see that these two stones are same, and these are neighboring stones because they are next to each other. And for this stone, the neighboring stones are these, red and blue. And for this one, we have this and this. Now, what we need to do is pick up number of stones so that all are this all have distinctive flavor. Okay. So what we are going to do is check from the first, then second here. So we'll start from zero in the string, then we will move on to one. And when we are on one, we will first check if there is a same stone before the first one. So if yes, then we will remove it. Okay. Then what we are going to do is go to the second one. Then again we'll check. Now since it is green and red, there is no same. Then for third, we are going to check. We have not the same one. And then fourth. So yeah, all we need to do is remove one stone from here. So the main logic that you need to consider here that S of I, if it is equal to S of I minus 1, then we will simply say count plus plus. Yeah, and this is the main logic for this problem. So if a stone before the current stone is same, then we just remove that to make it distinctive. So first we'll take the integer number of stones, okay, and then the string of stones, and we'll iterate the string from 0 to n, and now we'll put our condition if s of I is equal to s of I minus 1, we're gonna say count plus plus, and yeah, we need to declare count also here. So what I can say is just count equal to 0, and yeah, at last what we need to do is output our answer, that is count. Okay. So yeah, let's check it again here, and now let's copy this and run our test cases. Output should be 0, and a new test case, this one, I will say first one. and the output is I think 1, and the final test case, that is 5 and 5 times r, and the output is 4. Yeah, so yeah, it is running. First test case has been passed. Uh, okay, still running. It's taking some time, I guess. Okay, let me just remove this and just check from here again. Okay, yeah, so it has passed. Now this one, yeah, this also passed. So I guess the solution is pretty much right. And if we encounter any error, we will solve it on the go. Yeah, so let's go here. Okay, sorry, let me just enter. Yeah, so now we can submit our problem. I will just paste it here and say submit. Now let's see if it is right or wrong. Okay, okay. So guys, you can see the solution has been accepted and the solution to the problem is right. So this was it for guys for day 9, and thank you and bye bye.